What's up ladies and gentlemen, this is Abdul Moiz and today I'm going to show you how you can put your iPhone 10, iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus in DFU mode. So normally you want to put your phone in DFU mode when you're unable to restore your device in recovery mode, or it gets bricked or gets stuck on Apple logo, or iTunes doesn't recognize your phone. Putting your device in DFU mode is little tricky, so if you're unable to put your device in DFU mode on first attempt, watch this video again and give it another try. Anyway guys, it would be super awesome if you drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already, if this video did end up helping you out. So let's get started. First of all, connect your device to computer through USB cable. Then press the volume up button followed by volume down button and then press the side button. Keep holding the side button for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, press the volume down button and continue holding the side button. After 5 seconds, release the side button but keep holding the volume down button. If you followed these steps properly, the screen will turn black and iTunes will pop up telling you it has detected a device in recovery mode. Don't worry, your device is in DFU mode even though iTunes is telling you it is in recovery mode. Putting your device in recovery mode is a different process. If you want to put your device in recovery mode, I'll put a link in my video description. You can follow along that video to put your iPhone in recovery mode. If you're stuck at this DFU mode, just press the volume up button followed by volume down button and then press the side button and keep holding the side button until you see Apple logo on your screen. Now let go the side button and wait for your device to boot normally. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, definitely make sure to hit that like button, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure to click that subscribe button. Well, this is Abdul Moiz signing out.